Hello students and aspirants, in this video I will teach rule number 22. In this rule number 22 is about each other and one another. Student, to understand we should use each other for two subjects. We should use each other for two subjects. For example, Ram and Shyam like each other. Ram and Shyam like each other. Sita and Geeta like each other. Ram, Shyam, two subjects, so we use each other. Sita and Geeta like each other. In the sentence, Sita and Geeta, there is two subjects, so we using each other. And next we see about one another. We using one another for more than two subjects. We using one another for more than two subjects. See this example, we should love one another. We should love one another. Here in the sentence denotes more than two people. So we using one another. We should help one another. This sentence also mention more than two people. So here we using one another. And see this example. Both Arnav and Shika fought with dash. Fought with each other because Arnav and Shika, there is two subjects, so we are using each other for this sentence. See the next example. All citizens should love dash. All citizens. All citizens. This denotes more than two people, so we using one another. All citizens should love one another. We send one another Christmas card. In the sentence denote more than two people. So here we using one another. We send one another Christmas card. Student, to understand each other used for two people and one another used for more than two people. Student, to understand in this rule number 22, we are using each other for two subjects and we using one another for more than two subjects. Okay, in this next rule, I will teach rule number 23. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.